Slow motion effect. First, open CapCut. Then, start a new project. You'll see this interface. In this interface, you first need to import the video files. So, click on this import button. Then you'll see this interface. In this interface, you'll select your video files and click on the open button. After importing the video into CapCut, drag and drop it onto the timeline. Once the video is on the timeline, double-click on it. Next, go to the editing panel. Click on the Speed tab, located at the top left side of the editing panel. You'll see this interface. In this tab, you can increase or decrease your video speed. But for now, we will focus on the Curves tab. Click on the Curves tab. You'll see this interface with various options. Click on this tab. We will work with these points. I will go to the first highlighted point and turn the left-sided point to the top. I'll do the same with the right-sided point. Then, go to the next highlighted point and turn these points in front of the first point. Next, go to the following point and turn these points to the below side. Finally, go to the last point and turn this point to align with the first point. You'll notice some changes in your video. Click on this video track on the timeline to select it. Then, go to the editing panel and click on Smooth Slow Mo. After that, click on Optical Flow. Now, let's add music to this video. Go to the Audio tab, located at the top left side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see this interface. Here, you can select any music for your video. I selected this one. Drag and drop it onto the track below the video. Finally, delete any extra part of this video. You can now see the final result.